Maybe there are those people out there that are just, just self-driven annihilators of industry that can just go at it and bring people in and buy people along with them. I'm not one of those people. I don't think you're one of those people. I think you just got to be very humble and open to having other people kind of help you along the way.
Yep. You need to be willing to offer help and accept help. Yep. And don't let pride get in the way, and know where you're strong and where you're not, and allow those that are strong to prosper in their whatever they're doing. And I think that's really the secret. And so when you're running your business every day, your contracting business, let the people that do their jobs do them well and help them to do them well.